On Layout tab, we have Page Setup, Paragraph and Arrange. You're already familiar with paragraph settings for indentation and spacing. On Page Setup, I already covered the basics on beginner course. We have margin, presets for mirrored page or other values, or you could go to the custom margin, which the page setup will be open. We have margin tabs, paper and layout. On margin tabs, we could set the values from top, left, bottom and right. And as I mentioned before, you could set manually by adjusting the ruler, page orientation and gutter. Note that gutter is the spacing usually the papers will glue or gonna stick together, and gutter position left or top. Pages for multiple pages like a mirror margins, something like the book gonna fold from center, and apply to where. Note that allow me go to view tab, show the multiple pages. Alright. Let's say we have 3 pages and I want to make only this page with different orientation. If I go to the layout tab and set the orientation something like landscape, everything gonna apply. I undo that. I'm going to page setup by clicking here, or simply double click on the ruler to open the page setup. If I choose the landscape as an example and apply to where, whole document, this point forward, okay. After this point, now we have a landscape page. But I undo that again, add more pages, alright, by pressing Ctrl or Command Enter. If I want to apply only on this page, I could go to page setup, landscape again, and apply this point forward, okay. Select next page, actually maybe this one, page setup again, this time portrait and this section. Now we have additional. Why this section added? Because when you did apply to this point forward, allow me to zoom in, and I bring the non-visible characters. You see what's happened? Actually, we inserted the section break. So by defining section break, like as old time I mentioned about borders, etc., you could apply a specified one. So if I click here, go to layout tab, break and next page. Now we have a section break also here, and you could apply only on this page. I zoom out. So here, let's say again page setup, portrait, and this section, of course it is, okay, you see, and here we have different section, so page setup, landscape, and if I apply this section, what's gonna happen? Because we have 3 pages on this section, it will change all these 3 pages. So I undo that, I click on this page, go to layout, break, and let's say next page. I defined a new section here, so only this one, it is independent section. Now I could go to the page setup, landscape, this section, and okay. Even it is working with page size, you see. Let's say this one also different, maybe A5 to be smaller. So all it will apply based on your section's definition.